In this video, I will show you step by step how you made $12,105 in 22 days just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can use YouTube to promote your affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission as beginner without any websites, without any paid ads. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of April until the day 22 of April. I made $12,105, okay, just by using free traffic promoting affiliate links. So anyways, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page like this and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys. It's not like other affiliate marketing business programs that are paying you just few cents. This one is really profitable from my experience and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Okay, you have here dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and this is your affiliate account dashboard. Okay, super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and trending services that people are searching for on YouTube, so you can promote those services on YouTube to earn commission. So how you can choose a good and a profitable services? So what you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. So just open your YouTube homepage like this, and what we need to do next, we will click on the search and we will use YouTube search to find a good and trending services. Okay, we will ask question. So click on search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say how to make gaming, okay, thumbnail, for example. Okay, thumbnails, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. You just need to put your question here and YouTube will give you what people are searching for on YouTube. This is report search, as you can see, a report search prediction. Okay, so people are searching for how to make gaming thumbnails for YouTube videos, how to make gaming thumbnails in Photoshop, how to make gaming thumbnails for YouTube videos in PixArt. Okay, how to make gaming thumbnails on iPhone. So what you will do next, let's take this topic, how to make gaming thumbnails for YouTube videos. We will go back to our Fiverr homepage like this. We will click on the search and we will search for gaming thumbnail. Okay, search for gaming thumbnail and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So for example, like this one is level 2 seller He has a lot of reviews, 5 star. This service just for $5. It's really a good price. A lot of people can buy this service. People who are really taking their YouTube gaming channel seriously and they want to grow their YouTube channel, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, I will click on this service. So just click on this service like this. You will be directly in this seller profile page. 4 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. You can see how many thumbnails this seller has sold. Okay, 3,000 thumbnails was sold, guys. So which people will buy this service? So it's of course only people who has YouTube channels, those people who are searching for how to make gaming thumbnails for YouTube videos, those people who are buying this service. Okay, so this service is working, people are buying those services. Okay, so people who are saying in the comments people are not buying the services, you cannot make money with this method. So why not? If you can't make money with this, which people will buy this service? People already buying this service, it's working. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click over here. So you have here your affiliates, Fiverr affiliates, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay? Before we do that, we need to make a YouTube video that we will use to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So here is what you need to do. You will go back to Google, search for Canva. Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page like this. Click over here on video. Okay, then go back. You will be directly, after you click on video, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, you should be directly to this page like this. So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page and click on this thumbnail. Okay, click on his picture like this. Okay, and what you will do, you will screen recording this part. Okay, so turn your screen recording on your laptop and start recording this thumbnails like this, and click. You will keep clicking over here. So this video, you should record a video like that. So let me show you. So for example, I just turned my screen recording on. Okay, I will record those thumbnails and the feedback of those sellers who already bought this service from the seller. Okay, so let's get started. For example, okay, and you will keep clicking over here. This is the second page. This is the page number 3, and here you go. You will start showing those people on YouTube the feedback of the people who already buy this service. Okay, as you can see, absolutely amazing thumbnail. Here is another customer feedback. It's really good. He liked this service. Here is another feedback, another review, and like this. Okay, so it's really clear. You will record this thumbnails with the reviews and the feedback of those people. Okay, after you finish, this video will be recorded and this video will be in your laptop. So what you will do, you will go back to this profile page on Canva, to this page, click over here on upload, click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file, and you should find your video here. Okay, so this is the video that I recorded. Okay, showing the thumbnail, gaming thumbnails with the feedback of people who already buy the service. Okay, It's really good. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video. Your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Guys, make sure that no one will share with you like those methods, okay? You should make sure that no one will share with you like those methods that I'm sharing with you in my YouTube channel, okay? If you find a video like this one already on YouTube, I will stop this YouTube channel, okay? Just let me know and I will stop this. You can't find video and methods like this. Here is what so as you can see, this video will be like this. Here is what you will do next. Click over here on text. Scroll down, click and choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. I will click on this text. This text will be over here. I will delete this part. I will decrease the font size of this text like this. I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in my description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. And here you go. Okay, let me show you. I will put this text. Let me see. Okay, here I will click on elements. I will scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one. Click on color, choose black color, okay? And put this shape behind your text like this over here. Super easy, like this, okay? And here you go. So people will see this, okay? Click on your video. If you want to add some background music to your video, you can add background music if you want. If you don't want, that's fine. So for me, I'm gonna just leave it like this, okay? And here you go. Let's check this video now. It's like slideshow video, okay? This video can convert. This video, if people watch this video, they will see the feedback of people who already buy this service, and those people also can start buying this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Let's check. As you can see, it's showing, it's super easy, showing thumbnails. Here you go. This is the feedback of the people who already buy this service, okay? The reviews. People really love those results. They love those gaming thumbnails. As you can see, all people are posting 5-star and they are seeing good. They have good comments, very good thumbnails. Thank you, very amazing, professional, and so on. Okay, the best quality. It's really good. Click on share. Click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, create YouTube channel. It's for free. It will take just 1 minute. Make sure to verify your YouTube channel. Then you will be able to start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. You should verify your YouTube channel with your ID. Okay, so after you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this title. Okay, in your YouTube title, put this one: how to make gaming thumbnails for YouTube videos. The same title. Don't change or add anything. Use the same title, okay? In your YouTube description, you can write, for example, this. If you are interested to start making, if you are interested to grow your YouTube channel and get more views and get more subscribers and make good thumbnail for your YouTube videos, check this seller on Fiverr. He will help you to make an amazing and good thumbnails. Under this title, you will go back to your YouTube, to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts and I can still have this option because I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. It's have been almost like 5 years doing this business now. But for you, you should start seeing, you should have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. That's how we can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on YouTube without any problems and without any issue, okay? Because you are making everything your own. Okay, you are making your own videos, you are making your own titles, description, and all of this your own. You are not just copy and paste. And that's it, guys. This is the method that I'm using to earn every single month a lot of commission promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, and that's it. I share with you my methods for free, so you just need to start, take actions, stay consistent, guys. Stay consistent, be patient, because a lot of you, I have not a lot of you, I have a lot of emails that's coming in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm really happy a lot of people start getting results from this, and this started getting commission. I'm really happy to hear this, and I will still share a lot of methods with you guys. And a lot of people keep saying that it's not working. I tried this for 1 week, I tried it for 1 month. What do you mean one week? Do you think it's, if it's working like this, if it's easy 1 week and you will start getting commission, then everyone will do it. Okay, you need to stay consistent. You need to grow your account. You need to do a lot of research. Keep doing research. See what people are searching for, which services will help people to improve their businesses. Okay, and so much more. And you can start making a lot of money if you don't quit, if you stay consistent, and you are working really hard and making research. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. I'm also, guys, working on a course that will cover everything with a lot of new methods that I will share with you. This course can be ready in the next few days. Okay, maybe 5 or 6 days the course will be ready, and I will keep you guys updated. If you guys are interested in this business, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of methods for free. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.